Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Watch Repair Kits is probably one of the most rewarding purchases for both amateur enthusiasts and professional watchmakers, allowing you to delve into the intricate world of horology and breathe new life into your cherished timepieces. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential tools, techniques, and considerations to help you choose the perfect kit that meets your skill level and repair needs, ensuring you have everything you need to tackle any watch repair project with confidence and precision. Number 5. EFIXTK Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for quick and easy watch repairs. It's perfect for adjusting watch bands and keeping your timepiece in top condition. You'll receive a link pin remover with extra tips, a handy watch holder, a dual head hammer, pin punches, cotter pins, and even a cleaning cloth. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. Sizing your watch band is now a breeze. It's small, simple to use, and gets the job done effectively without any fuss. It fits a wide variety of watch bands, up to 30 mm wide. The replaceable pins and adjustable base ensure it works with different band thicknesses. This kit is a great value, saving you money on professional repairs. It's ideal for replacing watch bands and other minor repairs. The kit includes an all-metal link remover, a watch holder, a hammer, a cleaning cloth, and plenty of cotter pins. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It's compact and user-friendly, even for beginners. Its adjustable design fits various watch band thicknesses. If you're on a budget and need a reliable tool for basic watch repairs, this is a great option. What people say. This kit has everything. Replacement pieces for the wear items. This kit had everything I needed to remove and replace watch links easily. The link remover tool worked well, and the extra tips were useful in case one got worn out. The small hammer made it easier to tap out stubborn pins without damaging the band. The spring bar tool was strong and made switching bands quick and simple. Great kit with a good amount of extra pieces. Number 4. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to fix your watch at home. It's perfect for replacing batteries, adjusting straps, and more. Easily adjust your watch band to the perfect fit. The included tools make removing and adding links a breeze. It includes tools to open various watch cases, whether they have grooves, pry openings, or screws. No more expensive repairs. This 5-in-1 screwdriver handles all your watch and even glasses repair needs. It's compact and convenient to use. The included case holder keeps your watch securely in place while you work, preventing scratches and slips. From battery replacement to cleaning, this kit provides everything you need for complete watch maintenance. Save money and time. What we like. This kit has everything you need for various watch repairs, from battery changes to strap adjustments. It's suitable for different watch case types. If you need a comprehensive solution for various watch repair needs, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit came in a well-organized box, the design and the details are amazing. This watch repair kit has everything I need to work on my watches, change batteries, change bands, adjust the size and more. The quality of the kit is just fine if all you are doing is watch work at home. I was able to fix all of my watches and some of my friends. I like that it includes not only the tools but also extra link pins and bits for the pusher. It contains a lot of tools to open watches and bands, and a jeweler's interchangeable screwdriver set. Instructions included. The included pry tool worked perfectly. The included tweezers help to extract the dead battery. Number 3. BYNIIUR Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for most watch repairs, whether you're a professional or just fixing your own timepiece. It includes a wide array of tools, from case openers and band removers to screwdrivers and tweezers. You'll be prepared for any watch repair challenge. This kit features an extra-large watch wrench, capable of opening even oversized watch cases up to 55 mm. Say goodbye to frustratingly tight watch backs. All the tools are made from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring they're sturdy, reliable, and built to last. The included nylon case keeps everything organized and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go to easily repair your watch. It's perfect for opening watch backs, adjusting watch bands, replacing batteries, and removing pins. No more expensive watchmaker bills. What we like. It boasts a wide array of tools and an extra-large case opener for even the largest watches. The high-quality steel ensures long-lasting use. If you want a complete and durable kit for all your watch repair needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a fit, it is good quality, it is easy to open watches, it functions well for the price, it is easy to use. Ideal for resizing watch bands, replacing batteries, and performing minor repairs at home. It's a cost-effective alternative to visiting a professional watch repair shop. This kit is great. I bought this mostly to replace batteries and I've already used it twice in less than 24 hours. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy battery replacement or even watch repair. Everything fits great in the compact size case and provides great functionality for all your needs. Items seem to be good quality as well. Number 2. Ohuhu 192 PCS Watch Repair Kit. It's time to meet your new watch repair companion. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need, neatly organized in a durable carrying case. From screwdrivers and tweezers to spring bar tools and case openers, it has all the essentials for any watch repair task. You'll find everything you need to maintain your timepieces. This kit is designed for versatility. The adjustable case opener fits watches ranging from 18mm to 55mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide variety of timepieces. The compact, portable design makes it perfect for both home use and on-the-go repairs. The included instructions make it easy to use, regardless of your experience level. It's built to last. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's designed for long-term use and includes extra replacement parts. This kit is an investment in precision and longevity. Looking for a gift for the watch lover in your life? This kit is a perfect present for both professionals and hobbyists. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship. What we like. This kit is packed with tools and extras, including spare parts. The adjustable case opener handles various watch sizes. If you're a serious enthusiast or professional, this extensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. This kit has what you need to get started. I have a lot of watches. This kit is so helpful in getting the batteries changed without cracking the crystal. I was quite impressed with the quality and the variety of tools in this set. Sure, it's not made in USA quality, but quite nice for the price. I used the big wrench to take off the back watch cover and it worked. It's a little clumsy and time-consuming to line the bits with the slots in the watch's back cover, but it works. Lots of other useful tools, like a double-edged pick to help get the battery in and out. Number 1. Eventronic Watch Repair Kit. This kit has all the essential tools for watch repair. It's perfect for adjusting straps, replacing batteries, and more. From strap adjustments to battery replacements, it handles a variety of watch maintenance tasks. Save money and have fun fixing your own watch. These tools are made from durable, high-quality stainless steel. They're built to last and resist rust. The included case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. No more lost or misplaced parts. We provide an instruction manual and video tutorials. Plus, our expert team offers one-on-one support if you need it. With this kit, you can easily maintain your watch and save money. Enjoy the satisfaction of DIY watch repair. What we like. It's an upgraded kit with most of the tools you need for watch repair. It comes with helpful instructions and excellent customer support. If you value ease of use and great after-sales service, this is a good choice. What people say. This kit is great accuracy, removes screws, pins, etc. I have a watch collection comprised of about 10 moderately priced watches and a couple of cheaper digital sport watches. They are mostly from Fossil, a few from Guess, etc., none over 150 when I purchased them. With the provided tools, I opened every watch back and photographed the old battery still in the compartment so that I could magnify the photo and see the replacement number I would need to order. The blocks are well designed for their purpose, i.e. link removal replacement, securing the watch for backplate screw removal, etc., and hand tools are sturdy enough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.